Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, Parts 1 and 2. Based on an original news story by J.K. Rowling, John Tiffany and Jack Thorne. Part 1, Act 1. Act 1, Scene 1. King's Cross. A busy and crowded station, full of people trying to go somewhere. Amongst the hustle and bustle, 2 large cages rattle on top of 2 laden trolleys. They're being pushed by 2 boys, James Potter and Albus Potter. Their mother, Ginny, follows after. A 37-year-old man, Harry, has his daughter Lily on his shoulders. Albus: Dad, he keeps saying it. Harry: James, give it a rest. James: I only said he might be in Slytherin, and he might, so... Off his dad's glare. Fine. Albus, looking up at his mum: You'll write to me, won't you? Ginny: Every day if you want us to. Albus: No, not every day. James says most people only get letters from home about once a month. I don't want to... Harry: We wrote to your brother 3 times a week last year. Albus: What? James? Albus looks accusingly at James. Ginny: Yes, you may not want to believe everything he tells you about Hogwarts. He likes a laugh, your brother. James, with a grin: Can we go now, please? Albus looks at his dad, and then his mum. Ginny: All you have to do is walk straight at the wall between platforms 9 and 10. Lily: I'm so excited. Harry: Don't stop, and don't be scared. You'll crash into it. That's very important. Best to do it at a run if you're nervous. Albus: I'm ready. Harry and Lily put their hands on Albus's trolley. Ginny joins James's trolley, and together, the family run hard into the barrier.